हाय किड्स, हाउ आर यू डूइंग? मैं ना दिवाली से पहले सोचा क्यों ना आपसे एक बड़ी अच्छी सी बात करूं जो मैंने कहीं पर पढ़ी है। मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा एक चीज़। आई रेड इट समवेयर एंड इट रियली इट काइंड ऑफ हिट मी रियली हार्ड, यू नो, कि हम कितना किसी गलत चीज़ पर ध्यान देते हैं और जो असली में करने वाली चीज़ होती है शायद उस पर ध्यान नहीं देते। तो आई थॉट क्यों ना मैं आप लोगों से ये बड़ी प्यारी सी इमोशनल सी बात शेयर करूँ। व्हाट डू वी डू ऑन दिवाली? We clean our houses, we clean our garages, गाड़ियाँ सब साफ करते हैं, किचन्स, ड्राइंग रूम्स, डाइनिंग रूम्स सब एकदम चमका देते हैं, अंदर से सारा कचरा बाहर निकाल लेते हैं। और कितनी सफाई, सम पीपल इवन पेंट अगेन अपनी शॉप्स को, देयर लेजर बोर्ड्स, एवरीथिंग वी क्लीन एंड वी मेक इट स्पिक एंड स्पैन। What about the thing in which we end up staying for the rest of our lives? What about our thoughts? What about our brain? Do we end up ever cleaning our subconscious, our conscious, our thoughts, our mind? Have you ever thought that are we in the same negative cycle year after year, month after month? Have you ever thought of cleaning up all of these things in our brain? Maybe no. So that's a beautiful thing which I read and I thought I must share it with you. And why not this Diwali of the year 2020 जो सबसे एक ह्यूमैनिटी के लिए डिफिकल्ट और मुश्किल साल निकला है, क्यों ना इस साल हम कुछ अलग तरह से दिवाली मनाएं? Why don't we clear our own brains? Why don't we remove the negativities, the tendencies from our own brain this year? So I have a small ritual for you and I want each one of my true Biotonian to follow this small ritual with me. First, this is a part of the special Rebiotonic Diwali cleaning. First part of this Diwali cleaning is to declutter. Remove all the negative thoughts you have about yourself. Remove all the inadequate thoughts that you have about yourself. I'm not good enough. I'm not good with physics. I'm not good with chemistry. मेरा तो नहीं हो पाएगा. I'm not going to become a doctor. Remove all these tendencies. Just declutter your brain. Any thought which pulls you down, any thought which doesn't let you move ahead, any thought which holds you back, promise me, this Diwali, you're going to remove that thought. You're going to declutter your brain. Point number 2, you will reinforce, like how we paint the house again, like how we decorate the house again. You will reinforce all the positive thoughts. You will tell yourself, I am enough. You will affirm with all the positive affirmations. You will talk to the universe. You will take all the positive affirmations, my lovely children. You will tell yourself, I am good enough. I am strong enough. I am capable enough. I am enough on my own. I really don't need anybody to complete myself. If I've thought of something, I can do it. I will be able to accomplish all that I want to accomplish. I want to make my parents proud. My parents are already proud of me. My teachers are proud of me, of me, and I will be able to do it. So after you declutter, you will reinforce your brains with all the right things. Then you promise me that this Diwali cleaning you will not obsess. We obsess of उसने मुझे ऐसा कह दिया, what did she mean? Oh, उसने ऐसा कह दिया, what did he mean? We keep obsessing over a thought till the time हम उसको तोड़ मरोड़ कर एक बहुत बड़ा issue नहीं बना लेते. Promise me, this Diwali, you will not obsess over a negative thought. You overthink. You get into that loop of negative thinking, overthinking, obsession. Promise me, you will not get into any of this. Fast forward. What does fast forward mean? कहीं पर भी जहाँ आप stuck up feel करते हो, आपसे पर्टिकुलर कोई चीज़ नहीं हो रही है, आप थोड़े दिन तक you're trying to do something but you're not, just leave it at that time. Fast forward, pick something else, pick up another subject, pick up another topic, do something else. Just fast forward. Don't get stuck with a thought. Don't get stuck with an idea. Don't get stuck with a particular topic, a chapter, anything. Don't just get stuck somewhere. Less reaction, more action. You will not react. You will look at the situation, you will analyze the situation, you will respond, not react. And less reaction, more action. You know how they say that actions always speak louder than words? So you will not say, this year I will show you, this year you will do it. You will attend all classes, you will make sure that your syllabus finishes on time, you will make sure that you study well. There will be less reaction, more of action. you will be mindful, you will be aware of your surroundings, you will be more aware of what you want to do, you will be more aware of the actions जो आप ले रहे हो, you will be more aware, अपना टाइम टेबल माइंडफुली बनाओगे, उसको अच्छे से सॉल्व करोगे जो भी आपने अपने आप को प्रॉब्लम्स दिए हैं, एंड यू विल बिकम मोर सिंसियर इन योर अप्रोच. Last but not the least, scrub through Diwali style. So the moment you have a negative thought, the moment you have an impulse on which you want to react and not respond, the moment you want to give it all up, you will scrub all those negative feelings and only keep the positive feelings inside. That is how a true blood V Biotonian has to act every single time starting from this Diwali. That's all from my garden today evening. Wishing you all a very happy Diwali in days to come. Take care. Bye bye.